Hey, so welcome to the very first episode of Trader's Story. What we'll be doing today is actually three things. First, we'll be checking upon the crypto market. Second, we will play a game called the RSI game, in which I will tell you the signals, crypto signals to take today. So I suggest you to take this within 12 hours of this video releasing. So in order to not miss the video, I suggest you to press the bell icon and subscribe. Otherwise, it's of no use. You have to wait for the next video to actually get the signals. And the third thing that we'll be doing today is we'll be checking forward the stock market, and we'll be discussing what trades to take and what not to take. So you can scroll down to your decide sections in the scroll bar below. And so without much further ado, let's jump into the first topic, which is the crypto market. So welcome back to the first section. What we'll be doing today is actually we'll be analyzing the crypto market. So first of all, let's just look at the chart, and I will feel what I feel to go for a long or a short position. So first of all, we will be checking out BTC, and BTC, I think it's actually moving upwards, but there's a stark resistance over right over here, 21.9k. I don't think that it will cross that because there is no that much momentum there. So I am on a short position right now. It will actually, if things don't go uphill, it will go down like 21.792k itself. It will go further down and it will reach around 21.5k. So I am on a short position for BTC. And now let's look at the Ethereum chart. So the Ethereum just follows just like the BTC. Ethereum, if it crosses 1.55k, then it can go up to around 1.578 and further up, but I don't think that it will cross that much. It will actually go down from 1.532 from present conditions. Why I am saying this, I will tell you later in this section itself. It can go down to 1.5k for Ethereum from 1.524. So why I am saying that there is a possibility for a short position is because, first of all, you see Bitcoin and Ethereum price prediction. So they slide down because of the Kraken crackdown. So Kraken is like a exchange thing. I think so. Let's look what Kraken is. Kraken. So yeah, Kraken is best cryptocurrency exchange. So Kraken is an exchange. So they said that they won't cooperate with the US Securities Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, because and it will no longer offer staking as a service to its to product to companies. Why this happened? There can be many reasons, but in total, what you need to know is that it affects the crypto market badly, because many companies won't be using Kraken because it doesn't provide the service, and many will be taking out their money. So yeah, that's the reason why there's a possibility for short position, and there is no big possibility for the long position. Second news for today is actually about the PayPal. So the PayPal has said that they have a $604 million holdings in cryptocurrency, which is actually good news for crypto, because many of the rich people around the world are actually holding their crypto. That's what we get to know from this. And the third thing is that Microsoft pulls the plug on industrial metaverse team. Why won't they? Because the NFT is going down, the crypto is going down, so they have to do it like now. Let's look at the fourth news, which is the Doji price prediction. So this, we know that Elon Musk has failed to actually control Twitter. Because of that, anything that Elon Musk does gradually affects Twitter also. So will gradually affect Dogecoin also. So will this affect Doji? I don't think so, because I think that Doji is down because the whole crypto market is down. But you should know that if Elon Musk do something great, then Doji price grows up. So keep a close watch, not on Dogecoin but on Elon Musk. That's all for the first section of cryptocurrency market. Next is the RSI game. So jump right into it, and I will be telling you the instructions for it. So welcome to the Trader Stories second section, which is the RSI game. So in this section, I am going to give you the crypto signals, and also crypto signals in the form of a game called the RSI game. So what happens is that we know that the crypto market is very volatile, and what can be overbought can go down, and what can be oversold can go down when the market is going to turn upside down. So I am going to predict some coins which can go short or which can go long, which runs opposite to its current run. So in this game we will be checking out the RSI indicators, and if they are overbought they can go down, and if they are oversold they can go up. So I will be predicting such coins. So without much further ado, let's jump into the section. And also one thing I want you to remember is that I do pretty much calculations and check out these coins, and to not miss the video you should press the bell icon and subscribe. Why I'm telling you is this is because when I give you the signals, you have to take it within 2 hours of that video releasing, otherwise it's of no use. So I am telling you again, you have to take these trades within 2 hours of this video releasing. So without much further ado, let's jump into the first trade. So the first coin that I'm going to place the trade is ARUSDT. I'm going to short in ARUSDT. Now it is in overbought session. You can actually buy it between 11.45 and 11.73. When the coin's price comes between this, you can go for the trade. And the first target is 11.29, and the second target is 10.88. The third target is 10.66, and the fourth target is 10.59. So these are the 4 targets for ARUSDT, and the stop loss you can put it at 12.30. So this is the stop loss for ARUSDT. So I hope you noted it down, and you can go for the trade for ARUSDT. Now the second coin of today is Rune USDT. So Rune is showing pretty much growth, but I think that it has reached a point of resistance, and it can go a little bit further and then it will come down. So let's see what happens. So the first target for so you can actually enter the trade in Rune for $1.7 to $1.71. And the first target is 1.685. The second target is around 1.671. The third target is 1.656, and the fourth target is 1.647. So these are the 4 targets for Rune USDT, and the last target being 1.647, and you can put the stop loss for Rune at around 1.749. So this is the stop loss for Rune USDT. And these are the 2 coins for today's RSI game. So I'm telling you again, you should actually take these trades within 2 hours of this video releasing. To make your job easier, you can press the bell icon so that you never miss the next video. So that's it for today's session of RSI game. Let's jump into the stock market section. So welcome to this section of Trader Story. What we'll be doing is actually we'll be discussing upon the best stock markets stocks that you can buy right now. I will be going through some of the newses in detail, and we'll be choosing the best news for you to read. What I'll be doing is just filtering out the bad news, the unwanted news, and we'll be choosing the best ones for you. So let's begin. Actually, it's daytime right now. Yesterday it was night. That's why my clothes is changed. So first of all, the big elephant in the room about the Adani market. Adani has gone down, as you all know, because of the Hindenburg report, and I don't think that it can come up that easily right now. So the Adani market has affected the overall market, and the Nifty has actually went down. The Sensex has actually went down. So what's best for you now is to buy some of the best stocks available in this downtrend, so that when its price goes up, you can actually gain profit from it. So I'll be introducing some of the best stocks that I think is good for you. First is, of course, the Indian government is actually spending a lot of money to promote electric vehicles. So if you invest in stocks which actually produce electric vehicles, like for example the Tata Motors, then it's good for you. And the second news that I think that you should invest, the second type of stocks that I think you should invest, of course, this Nissan is actually Nissan, I don't think it's a world market. Then too, I'm just telling this to you. It's not in the Indian market. Nissan is actually investing $600 million to make 6 new models in India, which is good. If these 6 new models actually gets more sale, then we can earn profit from it. If not, then there's a loss. But moreover that this Apple supplier Salcomp to boost Indian workforce to 25,000, which means that it's good for the company. And you know that Apple's new models are launching soon. So if you invest right now, when iPhone 15 releases, I think it's actually pretty profitable for you, and you should invest in Salcom, because you know, if you invest in Apple, there is no notable benefit for you, because Apple has many shares, and to gain some profit from Apple is very difficult. But if you invest in Salcom, I think it's possible for you to gain profit from it. And third news that I want to tell you that you should invest right now is that Air India seals record order for about 500 jets from Airbus and Boeing. So after the Tata actually you see they bought this business, there has been upgrowth in the Air India flight. So I think that if they are planning to expand their empire, then you should also be a part of it and also buy it. So that are the stocks that I think is best for you. Now let's look at the other newses. So first of all, you see DBS was the company which gave a loan to Adani, I think so, and they said there's no concern about it, but I do feel there's some concern. And this Vodafone Idea actually has 3,000 to 4,000 crore of loans. So I suggest you to not invest in any of this. Look at what happened to Adani. Adani had a lot of loans and now it's all just gone down. So I suggest you to not invest any money in Vodafone Idea. If you can, then you can short in Vodafone Idea. Then delivery, you see their losses are widening. So you can make this opportunity to go short on delivery. So, and also the very important news is that NALCO means that National Aluminium Company Limited. Yes, NALCO is that. NALCO surges in profit. Even after the demands were low, their production was low. Then too, the whole overall market was going down, but NALCO went up. So if you can, you should invest in NALCO. It will be pretty good for you in the long run. So that's all for this week's stock market updates. See you in the next video, and be aware, invest wise, make profit.